If you're wondering how to fix the upload file exceeds the upload max file size error on WordPress, stick around and I'm going to show you 5 easy ways that you can increase your file upload size in WordPress. So let's get started. Anytime you try to upload a file that's larger than your hosting provider's size limit, you're going to get an error message. So for example, let's say you're trying to upload a plugin like MonsterInsights Pro. Your server may look at the size of the file and just say, nope, that's too big, and cancel the upload. Now, of course, this can also happen if you're trying to upload other large plugins, themes, PDFs, or large images as well. Now, the reason you get this error is that most hosting providers set a default file upload limit. Now, that can range anywhere from 2 megabytes to, let's say, 512 megabytes. Now, that's fine for most website owners, but you might need to increase that. So let's walk through this process. First, you'll want to see the largest file upload size your hosting provider allows. Now, to do that, just head to your WordPress dashboard and click on Media, and then click on Add New. Now you're going to see the file upload size limit. So in this example, you'll see that our limit is 512. The easiest way to increase your file upload size is to contact your hosting provider. So just head over to your hosting provider's website like Bluehost and click on the Chat tab and ask them to increase the upload file size. The second way that you can increase your upload file size is to create or edit an existing PHP.INI file. Now, this is the file that sets your file size limit. Now, let's look at an example using Bluehost. But even if you're not using Bluehost, your hosting provider's dashboard is going to look similar. Once you've logged in, go to Advanced, then scroll down to Software, and then choose the Multi-PHP.INI editor. Now scroll down until you find the Upload Max File Size. So make the change and make sure a capital M follows the number. Then you'll just need to click Apply. Now go back to your media library and click Add New. And now you're going to see it's increased. Now, as a side note, hosting providers set a limit on how much you can increase the upload file size. In our case, Bluehost has set it to 512. So if you try to increase the limit, but the file size doesn't change in the media library, then you know that you've picked a size that it won't allow. The third way to increase your file upload size is to add code to your WordPress theme Functions.php file. Now, we don't recommend doing that because if you change themes, then the Functions.php file is going to have to be updated as well. So make sure to copy the snippet code before you change themes, or you can just use a code snippet plugin so you won't have to change it in the new theme. Now, to change your file upload size in the Functions.php file, you'll just need to go to Appearance, then to the Theme File Editor. Now you're going to see a warning that any changes that you make may cause problems. Now, on the right sidebar, look for the Functions.php file. Now, once you've found it, just scroll all the way down. Then you'll need to start a new line and copy this bit of code. I'm going to leave it in the description below. The fourth way that you can increase your file upload size is by editing your htaccess file. Now, you can open that file and edit it using an FTP client if you're comfortable doing that, but there's a much easier way if you have the all-in-one SEO plugin. All you have to do is go to your admin sidebar, then to All-in-One SEO, and then go to Tools. Now we'll go to the htaccess editor. Then you'll need to go all the way down and then paste in the code. Again, you'll find the code in the description. Once you're done, just click Save Changes to update the file. Now, the fifth way that you can increase your file upload size is by using a WordPress plugin. Now, to do that, just go to Plugins, and then to Add New, and install and activate the WP Increase Upload File Size plugin. Under the Media tab, you'll see Increase Upload Limit. Now, you can choose which one you'd like to use. Just remember that your hosting provider can limit that selection. All right, now select from the drop-down, and then click Save Changes. Then go to your media, and you'll see the changes there. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you know how to fix the upload file exceeds the upload max file size error in WordPress. With Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, you'll find a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.